Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to download YouTube video in iPhone. Now, as you could see that I'm using an Android version or an Android device, the procedure for an iPhone as well as Android as in the YouTube remains the same. So if you want to download video in iPhone, then you just need to locate YouTube first of all on your device. And when you open or when you locate YouTube on your device, this is how it's gonna look. So here what you need is, all you have to do is locate the particular video that you wish to download. Now for example, I'm gonna go with this particular video, and what I need to do is, in order to download it, first of all let me just finish this ad. So now then you have the video over here. You could just click on this download icon right over here, and then you could select the quality and then click on the download button, and as you could see, this is how you'll be able to download video in your YouTube. As this will remain the same for your iPhone as well as Android. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.